Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain reskilling and upskilling for the students. And we will also see what is reskilling and what is upskilling and the impact of reskilling and upskilling to the students. Before going to learn what is reskilling and upskilling, you have to learn the background of reskilling and upskilling. It means where these concepts are implementing. If you know where these concepts are implementing and the importance of reskilling and upskilling, then you will able to learn the importance of reskilling and upskilling. Generally in MNCs, to retain the employees, to retain the top performers, to reduce costly hiring, companies generally follow this reskilling and upskilling. It also helps the business to secure their businesses, and it is a big learning tool. So companies usually follow and make their employees to follow this reskilling and upskilling. And let us see what is reskilling and what is upskilling. Reskilling means completely changing their working environment towards the another job role. Say for example, changing the current position and the stream of the job. Say for example, a technical personnel is working for an accounting company, and now he wanted to completely change his work as a software employee. Then this is known as a reskilling. Then what is upskilling? Upskilling means learning add-ons which helps to improve the efficiency of current position is known as upskilling. Say for example, if an accountant is working by using a Tally application, now their company has upgraded SAP module. If he is a SAP learner, or if he has the techniques of SAP, then he is eligible to continue in his company. So if he learns SAP, then it will help to continue and give efficiency in his current job. So this is upskilling and reskilling. So students, my suggestion to you is it is particularly for the aspirants who are going out of their college for the job. So if you are in a search of job, you need to know reskilling and upskilling. So it will help you to be safe in your company, because the things are very worst day by day due to several issues. So that you need to have these techniques in your life to secure your job and to secure your life. So how it will helps you, let us see. To become efficient. Say for example, if you are an MBA aspirant looking for the job and you have a specialization of finance. So if you are a specialized person in finance, you need not to worry about less jobs in your stream. If you work on marketing or other HR specializations, it will help you. Say for example, if you are a finance guy and you didn't get job, and if you learn digital marketing, then it will helps you to get some job in a other company, or in the job market you can survive. In the same manner, you can upskill yourself. Say for example, if you are a finance specialized guy and you know Tally, now you have to learn SAP also, because there are several companies, they are only using SAP modules, so that you need to learn SAP. and add-ons are also there. Say for example, there are so many websites they are providing finance specialized courses, so they will also become an add-on to your resume. For example, Swayam, they are giving so many courses on finance, and NPTEL, they are also giving so many courses. In the same way, Alison.com is there, they are also giving some free courses. Udemy is there, they are also providing some free courses. And at the same time, if you have learned the advanced Excel tools, it will also help you to retain or to enter into the job market. So the next one you have to do is to be a multi-task performer. So if you reskill yourself, you can be a multitask performer. Say for example, you are a dual specialized person, and you also learn something which is not your stream, then you will be a multitask performer. So nowadays companies are looking for only multitask performers, because they wanted to retain their employees in their company, so that they are implementing such reskilling tool on their employees. And moreover, you have to be in touch with your faculty members, your seniors who are working in many MNCs, and through LinkedIn also you can be in touch with employees and professionals of industries, so that you will get information, you will get updates, you will get what are the technological updates you need to work to enter into the organization, or to work in the organization. So that just be in touch with them, you can learn many things with the help of these industrialists. And it optimizes opportunities. So if you have such a multitask performing skills, it optimizes your skills and opportunities in the market arena. And it is a complete and continuous learning process, because several updates have been come up in the job market, so that you have to be a continuous learner. Once you enter into the business, once you enter into the market, or once you enter into your job, then you will come to know what are the updates and what are the things you have to learn before entering into the organization. Even it will also help to learn in an ongoing process by doing your job also. So this is our concept for today, and please subscribe to my channel if you are a new viewer. Thank you so much.